Yo, what is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you guys a continuation of the old rap video because this old server got taken down. So I'll just be showing you guys how to do it on the new server. We already have a few members, but feel free to join whenever you want. And yeah, let's get started, I guess. Alright, so what you want to do is download the rat. This is the base rat, so it won't do anything as long as it's not in your mods folder. So if you don't put it in your mods folder, it won't extract information from your thing. I think that downloaded. Hold on. Yeah, it did. Okay. So once you have that, you should be good for the next part. And this is our token auth mod that we have, and it helps steal, like, once you get the SSID, you can put the SSID into the token auth mod, and it will go ahead and log you into that account. Okay, and then the next thing we want to go to is base 64 encode and decode. That's an encoder and decoder, as you know from the last video. But before we do that, we want to go to webhooks, and then we want to make a new webhook. This is an example. I already have a webhook set for mine, but you can make it to any channel on any server, and you can just copy webhook URL. And once you have the webhook URL copied, you want to go to base 64. And then once you're on base 64, you just paste your webhook link, and then you click encode. Don't worry about any of this stuff. And once you encode it, you want to copy everything but these two equal signs, okay? And once you do that, you can close your browser. And then what you want to do next is download Recaf. Recaf is a bytecode editor for like coding. It's completely safe. There's nothing like suspicious about it. I've been using Recaf for a little bit. I'm on my computer instead of my laptop, so I don't have Recaf downloaded. But I'm gonna exit, and once I do that, Recap is a jar file, so it's executable, but you have to open it, and since this is my first time installing it, it'll go through the installing process, but I've already had Recap downloaded on this computer. So what I want to do is drag rat change name jar into Recap. Oh, it doesn't exist. Wow, how lucky is that? And let's try it again. I guess I needed to finish downloading it. Oh, sorry about this, guys. Just let it finish downloading, I guess. It's done. So, alright, there you go. Now it's done. Alright, there you go. So I should be able to close it now. And open up Recaf, File Explorer. Rat change name. Just drag that in there. Okay, now that works. Okay. So what we want to do is go to classes, net, Joda, then type tools, and then you'll see a bunch of file classes here, but you don't have to worry about those. All we want to do is worry about bin and this third one. So double click on bin, and you go down to line 31. You have to left click and then right click, and then edit with assembler. Once you do that, it should pop up this, and this is where your byte 64 or base 64 webhook, like encoded webhook, will go on all these blue lines right here. So you'll just double click them and then paste your webhook into it, and then you want to make sure all of these like match up. So make sure it's the same like URL, like all the way down, and it should be 5 of them. And then what you want to do is Control S, and it should like highlight it, and you can only see that once, so like don't freak out if you don't see it again. Just click it and it should work. So Control S, okay, and you're free to close this out. And then you want to go to this next one, the third one, and then scroll down to line 31 again. Just left click, then right click, edit with assembler, and then scroll all the way down to line 50, and then just double click and then Control V. And then once you're done with that, just Control S again. It should update. You're good to close it out. All right, and then file, export program. You want to move it to documents instead of downloads. it's easier to organize, and you can name it whatever. I'll just name it that. Okay, and then once you do that, you're good to close out recaf. In my server, this is my ratting server, like where all my ratting info goes. This is what it will look like whenever you rat somebody. For example, it'll give you their IP, their operating system, their Microsoft account name, their HWID, and then their Minecraft username. It'll give you their UUID and their token, and then it'll drop all the mods that are in their mods folder. It'll also take a picture of their desktop if you want to scare them. I don't see why you would want to though. But yeah, here's another one. I'll scroll up to. It took a picture of their Discord desktop, and it also gave me their IP, their name, their operating system, and then the token, the name, the UID, all that stuff. And then what this is this is their login info and their browser info. And as you can see, it'll paste a file called login data, and that's like passwords and emails and stuff. And you just want to download it, and then it's a text file, so you just want to open it up, and then you can see all that. I think I have one that I already downloaded. Okay, here's one of it. This is the Minecraft launcher info, and there's info like down in it, but you can't see because it's long line. Yeah, I'll collapse it. Yeah, but that's just what the rat looks like, and just be safe, have fun with the rat, I guess. I will see you guys in the next one. Join the Discord server. It'll be linked in the description. And DM me. Here's my Discord. If you have any questions, just DM me. Let me know. Alright? Sorry for the high exposure, guys. I don't know why it's doing this, but I have a feeling it's something in my settings with brightness. So if you can't really see anything, just message me on Discord or in the server, and I'll explain things further. But have fun, be safe with this rat, and really don't be stupid. And I mean, I guess that's all you have to do.